Missouri Governor Eric Greitens indicted on invasion of privacy charge. Missouri Republican Governor Eric Greitens was indicted Thursday by a St. Louis grand jury on a felony invasion of privacy charge, according to a news release from Circuit Attorney Kimberly Gardner. The charge stems from an incident that allegedly occurred in March 2015, she said. Greitens, 43, was booked at the St. Louis Justice Center, officials confirmed to the St. Louis Post-Dispatch. He was released on his own recognizance, St. Louis Circuit Attorney spokeswoman Susan Bryant told the Associated Press. According to Gardner's news release, the grand jury found probable cause that Greitens broke a state law. The indictment said Greitens allegedly took a photo of a person, who was only identified by their initials, in a state of full or partial nudity without their knowledge or consent and in a place where a person would have a reasonable expectation of privacy, according to the Post-Dispatch. It goes on to say that Greitens allegedly transmitted the image contained in the photograph in a manner that allowed access to that image via the computer, which is a felony, according to Gardner's release. Missouri's Greitens admits he was unfaithful but denies blackmail allegation. An investigation into Greitens' behavior was opened in January following his admitting to an affair, reportedly beginning in March 2015. Local station KMOV-TV previously reported that Greitens allegedly threatened to publicize nude images of the woman he was having the extramarital relations with if she exposed their relationship, according to her ex-husband. The man secretly recorded a conversation with his then-wife, in which she reportedly admitted to having an affair with Greitens. The recording alleges that Greitens invited the woman to his home and the sexual encounter was consensual. In the tape, the woman claims the governor asked her to come downstairs at his home where he would show her how to do a proper pull-up. The woman alleges he then taped her hands, blindfolded her, took a partially nude photo of her and then warned her to stay quiet about the sexual encounter. Dirty details of Missouri governor's affair fuel resignation calls. "You're never going to mention my name, otherwise there will be pictures everywhere," Greitens allegedly said. While acknowledging that he was unfaithful in his marriage, Greitens denied allegations that he blackmailed the woman. Gardner declined to comment to the Associated Press, but Bryant confirmed the indictment stemmed from the alleged photo. In a statement following the indictment, Greitens maintained that he did not commit the crime, and said the charge was a misguided political decision. "As I have said before, I made a personal mistake before I was governor," he said. "I did not commit the crime. With today's disappointing and misguided political decision, my confidence in our prosecutorial system is shaken, but not broken. I know this will be righted soon. The people of Missouri deserve better than a reckless liberal prosecutor who uses her office to score political points." Gardner is a Democrat, the Associated Press said. In a separate statement, Greitens' lawyers called the charges baseless and unfounded. In a statement to the Post-Dispatch, they'll reportedly file a motion to dismiss the charges. Greitens is a decorated former Navy SEAL officer who's received the Bronze Star and Purple Heart, among other awards, according to his service record. He enlisted in the Navy in 2000. He was elected as governor in November 2016.